Okay, we're gonna open this box first. Upper Deck 2010. Serial number. Ready? Let's see. Usually getting like one good card every pack, so for some people. So we'll see what we get. Oops. Okay. Wanna try? Hi, Adam. Okay. Let's see. Base. Oh, first thing is the redemption.
Ooh.
It's a signature Walter Herman.
Who's that?
I don't know, but we
That's
got
cool.
Oh, it's expired. Oh no, it's not yet. 9/7/11. It's all right.
Very cool.
First thing, redemption. That's good. That's a good sign. We might get a good box. And the rookie is Tyler Hansbrough. And this stuff. All right. On pace for a good box, babe. I'm excited. Can you hear it?
Me too, I'm so excited.
Man. Oh, I can open it. Let's see. Things are stuck. Oh, Lamar Odom. I think we got a good box here. It looks like there's going to be one in every box. I mean, pack. Not numbered. Jersey of Lamar. Oh, this is cool. Immortal Spud Webb. Hopefully we get one in everything.
I'm excited. First time I'm buying.
Okay, it's getting harder to open this pack. Second box. Sasha.
Sasha!
Oh, he's not Laker anymore.
I still like Sasha though.
Here it is. Oh. Oh no. It's
No?
not a box. Oh man.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's okay.
Base.
You didn't say that was?
I don't know what that is.
Michael Jordan.
Oh well. We got two hits
Got
already.
two good ones.
This is Upper
So
Deck.
you only have one more good one?
Turner Williams. 3.
So one more? Another one?
Well, this is the autograph already, I think. Yeah. So.
Oh, one autograph.
Yeah. Oh well. Let's see. Wait, is this numbered? Nope. Just regular card. Okay. Nope. That's it. Doesn't even have a decoy. The Dante Cunningham and DeMar DeRozan. And both of them on top.
I know, they're teasing you.
Yeah. They don't even have decoys on this one. It's just pure cards. Kobe Bryant now appearing.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's go.
Well done.
Yep. What is this? Green. Okay. I like the Lamar one though.
Yeah,
Lakers.
very cool.
Okay.
Pink.
More.
Cute.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, Thornton and Pooh. Pooh Richards.
Pooh.
3D stars. It's cool, babe. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. See that?
Yeah, cool.
Those are just inserts, though. They're just, you know.
That's cool.
They're not on the team anymore. They're in New York. They're next now. I think I have one more jersey, or 2 jerseys, and then that's it. Pow! No,
Cool.
here.
I like those ones. Unique.
That's cool. How many packs are in here? 16. I don't know. Man, they're stuck together. Nope. Rookies. That's blurry. Picture on that. Gotta go faster here. Here's another jersey.
Dual game.
Chris Bosh. Chromagity. It's not numbered. Not even numbered. .3D stars. They don't even play for that team anymore, those two. Michael Jordan. Kobe. See? I saw Kobe.
Maybe I want to
Nope. Oh, 5, yeah. Cool. Another Sasha. Earl Clark. Another one? Okay.
Is it playing?
Oh, man.
Maybe I should put it open inside.
No. Oh, Michael Jordan.
That's cool.
John Havlicek. I need another jersey. And this one. Walter Herman? I don't know. Can I get his autograph though?
Let's ask him.
I'm gonna send it in the mail. Here's his jersey. Let me ask him. Hopefully there's another jersey there. Oh, here it is. Oh, where's the number? 408/570. Maurice Peterson and Adonis Haslem. Game use.
Oh.
This one is game use of Lamar, and this one doesn't have a number. This one is numbered. Rick Mahorn. I think that's all. It's probably just gonna be base cards. They're so shiny. Tush. That's it. Sort of. Okay. The box. We got Lamar. Unnumbered. 408/570 materials. Pretty cool. Jersey. Double game. Unnumbered. And redemption for Walter Herman. Signature. Alright. ATLSportscards.com.